morning. I know it's been a little bit since I made a video, but my boy, he's my team lead from school this past semester. He was in one of my groups. Great dude, his name's Eric. He's got a Subaru BRZ. He's already a little stanced out with his wheels. He's got a nice set of wheels, really clean Subaru. It's manual, like black. I'll show you all everything. And he just bought airlift suspension for it, and he wants to install it. So I told him, you know, we could use my garage and my quick jacks, and that might be a little bit easier than, like, you know, wherever, because he lives on campus at the dorms. So we're gonna get that set up, and that's basically all I have planned for today. Alright, let me tighten the nut a little bit.